my water pressure was great. I thought, oh, this is no problem.
Okay.
It's really tough in here. It's right over on that side.
Okay, yeah. Okay, so the supply line is on that side.
Yeah.
Okay, the supply is on that side, and then it popped off. That
And you
popped
can
off.
see it. You can pull it. You can see
Yeah.
it. I put black electrical tape
Around it to help it. Yeah,
because
yeah.
the first day, it was Friday. When
Yeah.
I came in here, I thought, oh, this is wet in here.
Yeah. Yeah.
It was wet.
Yeah.
But not horrendous.
Well, was the water pissing out?
No, not then.
Yet,
I
not
didn't
yet.
notice because I kept thinking, where is the water coming from? And I'd been doing laundry.
Yeah.
So the first thing I thought of, oh, my laundry, something's happened with the water in the laundry. But this is a little bit higher because it's the subfloor.
It's elevated,
in here.
Yeah.
Anyhow, I was out the next day. I put a little pail underneath it. I put a towel. And I found if I lifted, like the tube coming in, it seemed to cut. It seemed to stop.
Okay.
And I thought, oh, there must be something going into the wall that's bad. Anyhow, so that's what happened. Then I came home Saturday, and when I came in here, there was so much water. It was water all out in here.
Oh, so it was running and running.
I'm just lucky because this is higher. I think it was running. I don't notice anything in that room.
Yeah. Yeah.
But it seemed to be running down. I couldn't pull my washing machine out, but the water was coming out here. So I have it's an old house, so I've got a floor drain.
Lovely. That helped.
So I was trying to pull. It's old.
Oh, yeah.
It's so old. Yeah. But it helped. At least it wasn't here.
You brushed it in and broomed it and swept it in.
I tried to do as much as I could, bringing it down. Yeah. So over here was fine. There was nothing here, but it seemed to be coming underneath the floor.
Yeah.
Because it was coming, and all this carpet, I've gone through so many. You see my garbage, you'll see it's just shop rags, and I just kept right away putting as many down as I could. Anyhow, I went back when I came home.
All right, boys. So the customer has the water off. I guess that's the lowest point in the house. And here. That's. There you go. Just break the vacuum. Okay, must have been a real shit show here when that water was here. Wow. Just bind it up. Just bind it up. How bad that is. Bad. That's fine. there. Broke right off. Plastic just broke right off. Like so. Like so. So here's our flapper situation. So it's a crusty flapper, man. That's a cross tread gate. Waiting for the moment to truth. It's open. Okay, we're going to reinstate the water now. Oh. Don't hold your breath. Alright. He's filling like a villain. Okay. That's probably all the air out. That's all the air out. I'll come back here and replace that hose bib. There's a hose bib right there. And get that. Oh, good.
So, is everything look good?
That looks good, yeah. Yeah. Downstairs, I got all the air out. I got all the air out of the water first, so I opened up the fixtures downstairs. That means the air gets out first before it comes up upstream.
Oh, okay.
And then, so I turned the water off downstairs, and now, yeah, that's fine. No, should be all right. And the flapper is in, so yeah, the flapper is in. It flushes now. I put in a vinyl flapper, a vinyl one, so it's better than the other stuff. The other stuff is kind of crusty looking.
Yeah.
Probably from the chlorine, probably. For the pile. Teeny drip in there. I don't see any drip in there either. Okay. Yeah. There you go, that's grand. Right, boys, I'll be back here again doing a bit more work, so this won't be the last we'll see this spot. Alright, I'll talk to you on the next one.